Boy, this winter storm bringing a lot of snow to the area, cold temperatures. We're going to still be dealing with some of the same impacts we have all day long into this afternoon. Although snow will be tapering off, those strong winds will continue into the evening. That means blowing snow is also going to continue, reducing visibility and creating hazardous travel. So if you have to drive today, make sure you're taking it very slow out there on the roadways. Here's a look at First Alert Radar. In some spots, it is still snowing. That's mainly in central Missouri. We'll take you in a little closer. See the darker blue that extends from, say, Higginsville to Warrensburg, also Marshall moving into Sedalia. These are where we're finding some of those moderate snow bands, and it's continuing to push generally towards the east, more into spots like Columbia and Jefferson City over the next couple of hours, which means our region will start to dry out and that accumulating snow will come to an end. Check out Future Scan. We're going through time. We'll stop this for you 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Marshall, Sedalia, and Warsaw, some of the few spots that are still dealing with snow. The rest of us will see that snow concluding, but remember, winds will be strong, so blowing snow is not going to end. And in some cases, with that blowing snow, it may feel like it's still snowing outside. There's a live look from our City View camera over the plaza, a winter wonderland. 28 degrees, it's cold. Speaking of those winds, they're out of the northwest at 24 miles per hour, gusting to nearly 40 miles per hour. And visibility has come up a little bit. It's still low at KCI at 3 miles. Temperatures area-wide range from the upper 20s to the low 30s. It's 32 degrees in Odessa, 30 in Cameron, 26 in Atchison, 29 in Lawrence as some of this cold air really filters in. So now for the next couple of hours is when we're going to find the highest impacts with that blowing snow around. Temperatures in the upper 20s to low 30s. Even after the sun sets tonight and skies start to slowly but surely clear out, a wind out of the northwest at 13 miles per hour, still going to create some visibility issues out there on the roadways. Wednesday morning, the storm system is done with us, but it gets very cold. These are actual forecast low temperatures. 10 degrees in Kansas City to start your day, 12 in Liberty, 11 in St. Joseph, single digits for Atchison. A few slick spots still expected. A southwest wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour actually will warm us up above freezing as we get into the day tomorrow. We are looking ahead to Friday. This is when we have another weather impact day. A storm system will be nearby. The only thing that we're confident at this point about is that accumulating snow is likely. There is still a lot of uncertainty in exactly how much snow we could see. So as we track the storm out, those details become more clear, just like they did with this system, but travel impacts are possible. Things get busy even beyond Friday. Let's break it down for you. On Saturday, we have an alert day, dangerous cold for the Chiefs game. Temperature is going to be running in the single digits, overnight lows as we get into Sunday and Monday, as well as Tuesday. Below zero, impact day Sunday and Monday, not necessarily for the snow that we're expecting, but the bitterly cold air that's going to be moving in.